dance in a row. Red ones twirl and blue ones glide. They flap their wings so full of pride. For flutter, flutter in the sky, butterflies go floating by. Pink and purple, yellow too, waving wings in every hue. Dancing light on summer breeze, butterflies play among the trees. Green one whispers, watch me soar. Orange one loops, then swoops once more. They land on petals, soft and sweet, then flutter back on tiny feet. Flutter, flutter, flutter in the sky, butterflies go floating by. Pink and purple, yellow too, waving wings in every hue. Dancing light and us come a breeze, butterflies play among the trees. Look at that, their wings go up and down, like painted jewels in flower crowns. They sing a tune so light and high, a lullaby beneath the sky. When the sun sets low and the sky turns gold, the butterflies rest as the air grows cold. They tuck their wings and close their eyes till morning comes with bright blue skies. Finally give flutter, flutter, dreams so sweet, till we next again shall meet. Colors shining, spirits high. Good night.